This is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to add custom image upload to product page in WooCommerce. But before jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor, basic WordPress and much more. So if you want to learn WordPress, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Then let's get started. Very first, let's check which I'm going to do in this tutorial. You can see this is an e-commerce website. If I open this product, just click over here and open this product. This is the product page, and in this tutorial I want to add a new field here like file or image upload. Maybe you have a question why this type of field need. Actually, if anyone give like personalized or custom product service or design service, then this type of field will be need. Like then any user or client can be sent their own design or logo or the business or visiting card. Okay, like if anyone asks this trouser, like color will be same but design will be different, then in this case the user can be sent a different design and they can send through this field. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can add this type of functionality or how you can add file upload or image upload option in product page, and definitely I will do it with a free WooCommerce add-on. That's why go to the admin dashboard, and very fast I have to install the WooCommerce add-on. Hover on plugins and click on add plugin. Then just search here drag and drop multiple file upload for WooCommerce. Okay, just search here drag and drop. Okay, you can see this is the add-on which I am going to use in this tutorial, drag and drop multiple file upload for WooCommerce. Just click over here, install now. Don't worry, I have given the add-on link in this video description, so you can just check from here and copy then the paste here, then search it. Okay, then click over here, activate. Okay, after install and activating the add-on, you can see this is the add-on. And now let's go to the product page and check it. Just refresh the page and just wait a few moments. You can see just file upload or the image upload option is added. Okay, now we have to customize it. So go to the admin dashboard, and if you click over here, then you will get the settings page. Another way you can go here. In this case, you just hover on WooCommerce, then click over here settings, and this is the WooCommerce settings page actually, and it has lots of settings tab. You can see after install and activating the add-on, whose name is drag and drop multiple file upload for WooCommerce, a new option is added whose name is file upload. You can see in right side file upload. Just click over here, this is the add-on settings page, and you can see drag and drop text. If you again go to the product page, you can see this is the text. So if you want, then you can change the text from here. Just check, then maybe you will be understand easily. It's super simple. Just scroll down, and this is the main settings actually record. If you want record this field, then you can check it from here. Then another is the very important disable file upload for global. That means if you visit another product, just open it and check it, then you will see this option is added for all product. But sometimes maybe you can't, or the site owner can't this field for the all product, and they can ask only for this specific product, and in this case you have to check this box and it will be disabled for the globally. Okay, so for the all product, then I will check it later. Just check this box, then the name you can change it or you can keep it default. Then the max file size, that's mean which file size you want to allow to upload. Okay, so and you can check it, and you have to write here in byte format, and you can do it from this website. Don't worry, I have given this website in this video description. Like if you want to allow like 5 MB, then you have to write here 5, then convert it, then you will get an byte result. You have to give it like binary number. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, then again if you want to like 10 MB file allow, then you have to write here 10, then click over here, convert it, then just copy this value and paste it. Okay, so in this way you can do it. Then the maximum file upload, how many file you want to allow. If you default is 10, if you want, then you can give here like 5 file you want to allow. Okay, then the minimum file will be single one. Okay, and you have to write here the file format, actually whose format you want to allow. Actually I want to like PNG, then the JPG, then the JPGE, and like PSD. So you can give here the extension which you want to allow. Okay, then if you click file, you can see I use the free version, so I have to use this option. Then save changes. Again go to the product page and refresh it, then the check it how does it work. Actually you can see the file upload option is removed from here. Actually again go to the settings and just scroll down, and you can see I have checked this box. That's why the file upload option is removed from here. Then the another, this is the product, and refresh it, then check it again. You can see the file upload option is removed from here as well. Okay, so if you want to add this file upload option for this product, then you can do it from here. Just edit the product, then the scroll down, and you can see this is the product data, then the file upload. Just click here and you can allow from here, enable file upload. That's mean I want to allow file upload only for this product. Okay, so again scroll up and update it, and go to the product page, reload this page and check it again. Yes, you can see file upload option is showing here. So again go to the another product, like this product I want to add for this product as well. So edit this product. Okay, scroll down and take the product data, and you can see this is the file upload. Click over here, then you can see enable file upload. Yes, check this box and update it. Then again go to the this product page and refresh it and check it again. Yes, you can see it showing here. Okay, then again go to the website and just open another product and check the image upload option is showing or not. You can see the image upload or file upload option does not show here. That's mean if you want, then you can add this file upload option for the all product. In this case just you have to uncheck this box, or if you want to add this type of field for a specific product, then you have to check this box, then the edit the product, and you have to allow it from here. Okay, so now go to the product single page and let's check how does it work. Okay, so now I can close other tab. Okay, then try it. So upload file from here. Okay, I want to give like this 3 file, then the open it. Okay, you can see the file has been updated. Then the click over here, add to cart, then the view cart. Scroll down and you can see flat rate lookup. Okay, process to checkout. Click over here. This is the checkout page, and you have to give the information. Already I have given it here. Then the cash on delivery, place order. Yes, you can see the order has been completed. Now again go to the admin dashboard as a site admin. Okay, you can see this is the WooCommerce and the order. Click over here and you can see on order is processing. Just click this order number and check it. You can see I have added or I have uploaded 3 images, okay, which are showing here. You can see 1, 2 and 3 images. If you click, then the image will be open. Okay, then again go to the order and you can see it works fine. So in this way you can add this type of feature, and as an admin will be able to check it, and they can make for custom design. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon and stay with me.